In today's video, we are testing and reviewing the Unpluq app. I double checked for you, it's not Unpluq or Unpluq. This tool is to help you cut down on your screen time by making it harder to access those distracting apps. Yes, you know the ones I'm talking about. It works on Android, iOS. This is a test and I'm gonna give my review, but also just know at the end of this video, if you wanna purchase one, great. If not, great, but I do have a 15% discount for you. You can find that below. Okay, all right, this actually all starts though with the setup of the app on your phone. So I don't know why I'm holding this. On your phone, go ahead and download the app. This part's pretty self-explanatory. Set it up, give it permissions and access so it can block the selected apps that you choose. And now that we're inside, we're gonna go ahead and build out your schedules or your block lists. This is where you're gonna pick the apps that are most distracting to you. Mine definitely are social media. For some people, it's games, sports, streaming services, etc. So you'll see here, you can block them at certain times of the day, specific days of the week. This part's pretty self-explanatory. Just figure out a schedule that works for you, different schedules for different things, bedtime, schedule for work, time that you're trying to be intentional with your family, fill in the gaps. So after you've chosen your block list, created your schedule, then you get to choose your barrier. All right, this is where I bring out the tag. If you have the Unpluq tag, it'll look like this. Comes with a little keychain situation, kind of like that. This is actually one of several ways to unlock your apps. Other ways are digital challenges, shaking your phone, punching in codes, scanning the QR code. Regarding daily use, and I just want to make sure this is perfectly clear how this works. Once the app is fully set up and you go and try to use one of your blocked applications on your phone, you'll be met with a chosen barrier, whatever you set up. So again, let's assume we use the tag, Instagram is blocked. I'll need to physically tap it, or if I use one of the other barriers, complete that digital task to get back into my app. The idea there is that the extra step is what makes Unpluq effective at breaking those autopilot habits that we run into with our cell phones. Like I mentioned, there's a premium and a free version. The free version limits you to blocking 2 apps with 1 schedule. And again, you don't have access to blocking apps or unblocking apps with a tag. So premium unlocks unlimited apps with multiple different schedules, has detailed usage analytics, and full options for barriers, including the tag. All right, there's 2 more things I want to mention before we wrap up here. 1, emergency mode. You'll see that right here. And this is really just allowing you 1 time a day to get access to all of your apps for 5 minutes. This is if you're not near your tag or don't have access to unblocking your apps. This gives you a fail-safe, but again, only for 5 minutes, once a day. And then worst case scenario, you'll have to delete the app, losing all of your settings and analytics. Second thing, this is a great video to kind of show you what this is all about before buying it. But what's really awesome, and I went through this myself, right here, there's actually a tutorial showing you how to use the app, its functions, step by step, all right here. Okay, that's really all I want to cover. Maybe the last piece that I kind of walked through, but there are different pricing options. I'll pull up the page right here on their website. Again, you have the free version that you can just get from the App Store right now and use it, but again, not having full access to everything. But these are really the 4 options. You have the Unpluq tag plus premium subscription, just the Unpluq tag if maybe you lost yours or wanted to add a second one, just the premium subscription itself, and then Unpluq Family, which Unpluq Family Lite gives you access to 3 phones, while Unpluq Family Full has no limit on the amount of devices you can use. Okay, now we talk final thoughts and my review. I'm gonna break this down with a really simple pro and con. Con, and maybe this is gonna seem really obvious, a lot of other tools like this don't have a subscription model. So that's gonna be my obvious negative. I'm not a big fan of subscriptions, but that's just me. Pro, and this might seem counterintuitive, but I can appreciate the pricing model. You can get the app for free. It has limited function, but see if you like it, the interface, the process, the intuitiveness. If it's a good fit, you can upgrade to premium, getting full access to everything and more. Again, if you want to grab one, link below, 15%. And yeah, it's now been tested, been reviewed. Hope this was helpful. If you got any other things you want me to review or take a look at, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Until next time, see you later.